Okay, we have the following case. We try to move the vertex of this feature line from this point to this point, and somehow to still keep the elevation of this feature line vertex to be 510. Now, if we select the vertex, I'm gonna try to snap it to the endpoint of the polyline. You're gonna see that the vertex takes the elevation of the polyline at that point, and that elevation is 0. Now, if we think about a feature line with hundreds of vertices, I know that it's very hard to try to move lots of vertices and snap it to different points and still keep the elevation, because it snaps to the elevation of those objects or the points in the drawing that we want to snap to, and then it's kind of hard to find them in the elevation editor and try to match it with the past elevation. Okay, in order to somehow keep the same elevation, we're gonna see that if we select the feature line and you look here in the left corner, we're gonna see the indicative for the x, y, and the z value for the place where we are with the cursor. Now if we put our cursor over the feature line vertex, you're gonna see that the z value there is 510. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a snap based on the x and y, and when we do this, it's gonna let us define the z value. So if we select the vertex, we're gonna drag it. We're not gonna snap it yet. We're gonna type in the command line .xy, and then we're gonna snap it to the endpoint. Now you're gonna see that when you snap to the endpoint, it's gonna ask you the z value. Here we're gonna put 510, 520, whatever value you want for the elevation of that point. I put 510. Now another way to access the same menu or to input the same data, you're gonna be to select the feature line. We're gonna select the vertex. We're gonna drag it. We're not gonna snap it yet. Now if you hold down the shift and then the right click, you're gonna see the point filters here. Click on the X and Y. Now we're gonna ask us for the stretch point. We're gonna be the end point of the polyline. And we're gonna ask it the same way the z value. Here we're gonna put 520. Now you're gonna see the elevation for that vertex of the polyline. It's set to 520. So this is the easy way to, let's say, keep all the vertices in the feature line at the right elevation without to go through the elevation editor. I hope this is helpful for you guys.